Last time we discussed how A intersection B eneke represent kora goisile. Etia ami sao A union B keneke hobo. Suppose A aru B duta set hoy aru ami he duta union ok graphically Venn diagram or hoite represent koribo bisarisu. So for that what will you do? You will shade all the region that covers complete A as well as B. Yata ek interesting kotha ki A union B je ase. A union B, this A union B comprises of A minus B. Mane this is only A. Union B minus A. This is only B. Union A intersection B. Mane duta majo jitu common ase. Okay. Ta mane A minus B kuntu part hoy okol A part to hoy. Only this part is the A minus B part. B minus A kun part to hoy A part to hoy. This part. And A intersection B hoy A part to jitu ami agote discuss korisu. A tinta union kori dile this entire thing gives us A union B. Okay.